Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Wednesday, January 14th, 2026, your daily market intelligence simplified. Markets had a volatile Tuesday, starting strong after inflation data showed consumer prices rising just 0.2% in December, below the expected 0.3%, bringing annual inflation to 2.6%, closer to the Fed's 2% target. However, escalating tensions with Iran reversed early gains, pushing oil prices up nearly 3% and energy stocks higher by over 1 point. The S&P 500 ultimately closed down 0.2% at 6,962, with banking stocks underperforming following JPMorgan's disappointing earnings report. In the banking sector, JPMorgan initially missed expectations for both profit and revenue, but investors were encouraged by the bank's forecast for interest income in 2026. Fellow financial giant BlackRock announced plans to cut about 1% of its workforce as part of cost-cutting efforts. The chipmakers had a strong day, with both AMD and Intel getting a boost after KeyBank upgraded the sector, signaling renewed confidence in semiconductor stocks. Meanwhile, Cardinal Health raised its full-year profit forecast, demonstrating continued strength in healthcare distribution and supply chain management. Looking at U.S. equity sentiment for the next 30 days, we're seeing a notable shift in investor psychology. After experiencing sharp swings in recent months, market expectations have firmly returned to positive territory. This turnaround signals a meaningful improvement in near-term risk appetite, following what has been a volatile period. For investors, this suggests growing confidence that the choppy market conditions may be stabilizing. The key question now is whether this renewed optimism can be sustained as we move through the coming weeks, or if we'll see another sentiment reversal. Looking ahead, Wednesday brings key data with the Producer Price Index and retail sales figures, both crucial for gauging inflation and consumer spending trends. The same day, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, and Bank of America report earnings. After JP Morgan's rocky results, investors will watch these closely. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court may issue opinions on President Trump's trade policies, and Iran remains a wild card. Any developments could move oil prices and market sentiment. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.